upcoming panel will be different from some of the other ones that you'll see at CHOW. This is about vision, it's about being bold, and it's about how we all look at that in a different way. And so we've actually tried to think about how can we make space for all of those different pieces. And we've invited several bright, illustrative thinkers, doers, game changers, to tell us what they think about how we should tackle the climate crisis in our communities. So please join me in welcoming Queen Quet, Chieftess and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation. Her accomplishments and impacts are endless. She's a published author, computer scientist, lecturer, mathematician, historian, columnist, preservationist, environmental justice advocate, environmentalist, and she's the founder of the premier advocacy organization for the continuation of Gullah Geechee culture, the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition, where they lead local, state, regional, national, and international stages. So please join me in welcoming Queen Quet.
He knew what a children way. He knew what a God one trouble the water away. He knew what a way. He knew what a children way. He knew what a God one trouble the water. God why trouble the water. God why trouble the water. Yeah, your ancestors say the water to bring we, the water why take me back. And I can't tell say this here. Jacksonville, North Carolina, Jacksonville, Florida. Anesia, and the children can't tell the water. See how Chigura, Benediction line, way down Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and things like that. But then yet it didn't, like you know, because we could go in there and we had to that water. And yet it ancestors for way across Shona. Now keep on. Kalabian, need the drum, draw back, Italian of a tea from that land. And butcher, and they shall see out outside. We had to go on blue for this year. Indigo, too. Oh, children, when I get to this year shoreline, oh, I still red in that water. But I'm back at Yona. Get out here. So you can't hear the people like I can teach soul like that every time you go on Yona. And yet it, gotta get the Fishing Association, they can get it. They can call you teeth back. And yet it, gotta get you stand up in the think tank. They can't think about the way how they crack the teeth so. But then all the rest of the children kind of crosses your thing called bridge. And then know how to crack your teeth so like a weed. So some of we go on cross the water. From the lower country up the hill. And yet it them. Now but they go on, how they crack your teeth so? And then maybe they can understand who we be. That we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. On this shoreline, living in this thing called the ocean. And you see, the land that we family, the water we bloodline. So you can't understand how they don't understand this thing for true. Now if you take care of Mama Earth, she take care of we. That's what she do. So I study with them all the rest of the children, and I get you on there, going up the hill. And then I said, oh, they're not cracking teeth like a weed. They talk like this up there. I see. So maybe that's why when they come down on their low country expeditions, they act like they can't hear us. But maybe they do. They just don't overstand, as we would say, because we've been under too long, so it's time to be over something now. And so, when they get there, we take them to the shoreline. We say it's not just a place to look at. It's a place to stop and breathe in, breathe out, and breathe in that power. Breathe out positivity. Breathe in ancestral legacy. Breathe out solutions to the future journey as we have an ocean community engaging action now. Yes, I found out up the hill they love acronyms. It's ocean. And so there it is that they said, well, Queen Quet, your people must know a lot about the ocean. I said, why not? It's all around our islands, right? We live in the Atlantic, so why did you wait so long to talk to us? We gather on the shorelines with the Ocean Justice Action Group. We gather on the shoreline with Black in Marine Science. We gather on the shoreline with the South Atlantic Salt Marsh Initiative team, SASME, and we march forward together, but those marshes, those estuaries flow back to the ocean. So I said, what are they talking about up this hill that had to climb so high from the low country? And they said, well, actually, they're having this thing called CHOW. I said, oh, they're going to now run something and they're going to do that. So they know it for food security, because we're going to eat. And they said, well, no, actually, I said, it's an acronym. They said, right, for Capitol Hill Ocean Week. I said, well, I hope that week is going to celebrate this decade, this international decade of the ocean, and they're going to share with cultural heritage communities in ocean communities engaging action. When? Now. Only one person got that. We have no time left. And when I looked at what they said they were going to do, I said, oh, great. It's ocean time climate. I'm a mathematician. So that means exponentially we're going to gain energy and power to do what? Have the ocean community engaging action when? Now. Wow, they finally got the last one. So now, my thing was, yes, maybe we need to change this. Maybe in America, it's not like the Gullah Geechee Nation. Maybe sitting along the porch and having a little sweet tea and swinging in the chair, being with your family is not moving fast enough. So maybe we need to be more like what America loves, sports teams, engaging it that way. And immediately the Spirit said, right, cause a wave that makes them realize that the ocean consists of many drops, and each one of us consists of water, just like the ocean. Many of us don't realize you got salt in your body till you get a little salty with somebody, and then they realize that. But there in the Sea Islands, we realize we are interconnected with the water. So therefore, if it is part of our bloodline and it is our life, why would we pollute it? Why would we let it acidify? We can't let this happen to the ocean. We have to do better on land with our behavior so that what flows out into those water bodies doesn't come into our bodies, and that all of these bodies can live together. Not just have the scientists saying bio and connecting it to diversity, without the diversity of cultural heritage communities being the biological organisms that flow with you in the low country and up the hill. Here, where we have what? The ocean. Can you say the word ocean, children? Ocean community. Engaging. Action. When? Now. So what is it? Ocean community engaging action now. What? Ocean community engaging action now. Yes, that's the flow. That's the wave. That's all those little particles of water coming together, the particles that walk along the land, that hit on the sand, flowing like the ocean does to the sea islands, the tides striking us, the waves that hit daily, that nurture our souls and our spirits and lift us to new heights. The same place is that shoreline where, as you see on our national flag of the Gullah Geechee Nation, we be Gullah Geechee anointed people, and you see in the center a tree. We shall be a tree planted by the rivers of water. We shall not be moved. The only moving I'd love to see as I go back down to the low country from up the hill is this wave of the oceans.
Unity, engagement, action, now.
And what better time to do it than at CHOW? The time that we could then work together chillin', walk together chillin', wade in the water together chillin'. And this time, when God trouble the water, he'll trouble them like the great Mr. Lewis said. It'll be good trouble that we got in together, bringing together all communities on the ocean so that we enact justice, so that our children's children's children will be able to eat spiritually, physically, emotionally, as our ocean